and welcome to this math tutorial. Now let's find the value of x. Okay, we are given parentheses root 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 equals to 27 over 8. Now when I first came across this question, what came to my mind was that all I need to do is to what? Is to make the base on both sides to be equal. And when I do that, then we know the next thing to do. That's by applying one of the properties of exponents. Then I should be able to get the value of x. But in this case, okay, it's not, it will not work because here we have root 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 equals to 27 over 8. So which means the only method out of the many ways I tried solving this problem, okay, the one which is fastest is when we apply logarithms. All right, so in this case, what I will do first is to reciprocate the base on the left hand side. Okay, reciprocate the base on the left hand side, and that will be 3 over root 2, okay, raised to the power of minus 1, okay, all raised to the power x plus 2 equals to 27 divided by 8. Now this will be 3 divided by root 2 raised to the power of negative 1 multiplied by x plus 2 equals to 27 over 8. Now from here, let me remove the parentheses. So this will be 3, okay, divided by root 2 raised to the power of minus x minus 2 equals to 27 divided by 8. Now this is what we're going to do from here. Okay, this is where we can now apply logarithms. Okay, now taking ln, or yes, taking log on both sides. Okay, taking log on both sides. Okay, we're going to have log 3 divided by root 2 raised to the power of minus x minus 2, and that is equals to logarithm log 27 divided by 8. Okay, log 27 divided by 8. So this is the argument. All right, then the property of logarithms that I'm going to apply here will be the one that when we have the nth power of the logarithm of the nth power of p will be equals to the product of n and log p. So this property is what I'm going to apply in this case on the left hand side, so that this will be negative x minus 2 log 3 divided by root 2. Okay, that will be equals to log 27 divided by 8. All right, so the next thing to do is to divide. Let's divide both sides by log 3 divided by root 2. Log 3 divided by root 2. We divide both sides by log 3 divided by root 2. So in that case, we're going to have minus x minus 2, okay, log 3 over root 2 divided by log 3 over root 2, okay, and this will be equals to log 27 over 8 divided by log 3 over root 2. Okay, so this will cancel this, so we'll be left with minus x, negative x minus 2 on the left hand side. Now we can write this to be log 3 over 2 raised to the power of 3, because 27 is the same as 3 exponent 3, and also 8 is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of 3. All right, so in this case, this will be divided by log 3 over root 2. All right. Okay, so I'm going to bring this here, applying this property. By applying this property, so that means we have negative x minus 2 equals to 3 log 3 divided by 2 over log 3 over root 2. Okay, now let me add 2 to both sides. So 2 minus 2, that will be 0, so that the left hand side will be minus x equals to 3 log 3 over 2 divided by log 3 over 2, then plus 2. All right. Now, to get rid of this minus, we can then multiply both sides by minus 1. That is, multiply both sides by minus 1. So multiplying minus x by minus 1, we get x. And then this will be negative 3 log 3 over 2. Okay, divide by log 3 over root 2 minus 2. Okay, now we can leave our answer this way. Another way to simplify this, we can say this is x equals to negative 3 open bracket log 3 minus log 2 divided by log 3 minus log root 2. Okay, then minus 2. Now, if we plug in this value, okay, using our calculator, we're going to have the value of x to be equals to minus 3.617. So which means x, when we say x equals to negative 3 open bracket log 3, okay, minus log 2 divided by log 3 minus log root 2, okay, then minus 2. The answer will be minus 3.617, and that's the final answer, minus 3.617. That's the value of x, the noblest pleasure. It's the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.